is Arielle Hader, physical therapist and Pilates instructor, Pilates studio owner of Pilates Santé. We are located in Los Gatos, California, and we've been here for 18 years. Today, I wanted to show you a few exercises that you can do at home if you've been diagnosed with scoliosis. Step one is called breathing, okay? Ideally, you've been told by a practitioner or you know in your own body which side of your torso is collapsed. You can perform this on both sides, but ideally you are also focusing on the side that is most collapsed. If I'm collapsed in my right rib cage, I'm going to lie on my left side. I can support my head with a pillow or my hand. I also can support my underside with a mat, my hand, or a towel. And I'm going to breathe into my collapsed rib cage. I'll take an inhale and expand the rib cage toward the ceiling. Exhale, release. As I exhale and release the air, I'm trying to maintain expansion of my ribs. Let's try that again. Inhale. You can even place your hand here to press into it. Give a little feedback to your rib cage, expand. And then see if you can maintain that expansion as you exhale. You can try that one more time. Inhale laterally into your collapsed side. And then maintain that and lift as you exhale. And so the body starts to memorize this expansion of the rib cage. You can also consider this with elongated position, even the arm and the leg reaching out, but creating space for the expansion of your rib cage. You can perform that, like I said, on both sides, or you can focus mostly on the side that's collapsed. We're now going to take it into a stabilization exercise. This bird dot exercise is wonderful to start to learn again about where the imbalances are in your spinal curve. If I'm collapsed in the right rib cage, I'm going to think about creating expansion like I just did in the breath and maintaining that expansion as I lift through one arm. I can inhale here, keep the expansion of the ribs. Exhale to place the arm down. And alternating sides. Inhale, keep my rib expansion on the right. Inhale. And then if I have a good rib cage alignment, consider reaching through the opposite leg, feeling length and elongation. How long can I create my spine to decompress my spine and try to normalize my curves? And I can hold my arm and my leg reach for up to 30 seconds and monitor. How is my breathing into my ribs? Is my pelvis stable? And how much length can I create axial elongation in my spine? And I could do this for 3 to 4 repetitions on each side for 20 to 30 second holds. The last exercise I'd like to show you is a side plank. You can perform this on both sides. Generally, it may be more challenging on one side when you have a scoliosis. We'll take both knees stacked, the elbow underneath the shoulder, for a modified side plank. I'm going to lift through my pelvis and hips, and I'm going to protract my shoulder blade. I'm going to drive my shoulder blade away from the spine, try to align my neck, and reach my top arm toward the ceiling. I should feel my waistline working here. And if you can perform this in front of a mirror and look and see how your curves are looking, if you start to notice that you're sinking or collapsing into your rib cage and your scoliosis is looking worse, see if you can align yourself and reposition yourself to create more length in your spine, decompress the spine, and normalize the curves. You can also take this into a position where your top leg is straight. And then finally, you can progress to full side plank where you're stacked. Please let me know what exercises you perform that might be Pilates based for your scoliosis. I'd love to hear any of your comments mentioned below. And if you'd like more educational content on Pilates based exercises safe for your condition, please ding the bell and you'll receive some notifications.